Okay, hold on. I gotta synchronize. This is hard to do.
He burped.
Okay, don't look at the camera. Pretend the camera's not here.
He's gonna look at the camera and drink. Go ahead, take a drink. No, I gotta look at the camera. Wait, I lost control. Okay. You're not a puppy.
Oh boy, that was close. You almost wore it.
Okay.
Come on, one more time. Let's, oh.
I can't concentrate with the camera.
Ethan.
Nope, the camera's out. Never mind. Posing, posing, posing. Okay, try again.
Woody, come on.
Silly boy.
Is he chewing on the cup, or
Yep.
does he actually want the stuff?
Both. Tasty. No, oh. Lost it. Oh, broke out. Oh. Can't take his eyes off the camera though. He's not really getting any in his mouth.
Sure.
Not tipped, yeah, it wasn't really tipped back far enough. Oh!
Got a mustache.
Yummy! How was that? Now you got some.
You're drinking lots.
Is that good? It's
Ready
a
for
good
more?
smoothie.
No more?
I think it's Dad's car. Dad, if I get a gas can tomorrow, do you think you can go pick up like just like $2 of gas?
No. I won't be able to do that tomorrow.
Oh yeah, you gotta.
Oh!
Okay, we're
Oops.
done.
I think